All right, we're going to look at mean, median, and mode of different types of data sets here. So the mode is the value that occurs the most often. Median is in the middle of the data set. So we do have to put the data in order. If I can spell here. Order from least to greatest. A mean is the average. So we're going to add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of data values that there are. So if we're given just a straight data set, we can find each of these. So what I'm going to do first is order them from least to greatest. So let's see, what's the smallest one? So I think 82 is the smallest. It's the second one. Let's see, is there an 83? 84? Yep. Alright, actually, so don't take up too much time in this video. I'm going to pause it on my end so that I can write them out, least to greatest. And then you can pause it on your end to then copy down. Alright, so I've ordered least to greatest. So that helps me figure out my mode. Because I'm going to show you I have different ones that have multiple. So that has 3. 104 has 3. Let's see. 109 has 2. 103 has 2. That might be, 106 has 2. So mode is what occurs the most. So I have a tie for 89 and 104 because they both have 3. I can find the median, which is the middle number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross off values. So smallest one, largest one. And I'm going to keep crossing numbers off until I get to the middle. Okay, I'm down to 2. So when I have 2 in the middle, I find the average. So I'll do 101 plus 102 divided by 2, and right in the middle of that is 101.5. And then the mean is the average. So I can add them all up. And then let me count how many data values I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 by 5, so that makes 30. And then I'll add all of these up. So I'm going to pause it again and add them all up and then come back. So 2,888. If I divide that by 30, I get 96.3 as the mean. Okay, if I have a stem and leaf plot, you can do the same things. Do mode, median, and mean. So the mode is the one that occurs the most. So I've got 3 10s. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll go ahead and get rid of the 10s. I need to see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to see if there's a value that's more than 4. And I don't see one throughout this data. I see one that's 4 as well. So the mode is going to be both of those because, again, there's a tie. So 15 and 20. The median, I can just cross off. Instead of writing them all out, I can just cross off the digits. So smallest, highest, smallest, highest. And then cross it off until I meet in the middle. I've already lost. I'm going to try again. and I have 1 left. So the median is 20. And then the mean, I'm going to add them all up and then divide by how many data values there are. Let's count how many data values there are. There's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 33. All right, so again, I'm going to add them all up and get a grand total. So I get 740, and if I divide that by 33, I get 22.42. All right, to do things a little differently if we have a frequency distribution, because I could write them all out, but there's a little bit more of a more efficient way to do that. So let's see. The mode is the easiest one to do first, which one occurs the most. So 1. The median is the middle number. So instead of writing all of these numbers out and crossing them off, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make tally marks to do that. I'm going to do the way I would do it first, and then I'll do the tally marks in case that doesn't make sense. So what I see is we need to go into the middle. So I have 5 spots here, so I need to go 5 spots from the back end. So that's 1, that's 3, and then 4, 5. And then, I need to go 13 spots, and I don't know that I have 13 spots left. So I've got 6 and 3, that makes 9. So it's going to meet here anyway, so the median is 1. Now, if that did not make sense, I'm just going to make tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. And then I'm just going to erase them off so that I can figure out which category I would be in. So 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here, etc., etc. See how I have left over in this category? So that means the median is going to be 1, because that's the number here. All right, the mean, instead of trying to type all these numbers in, I have 5 times 0. I have 13 ones. I have 6 twos, so that makes 12. I have 3 threes, that makes 9. I have 2 4s, which makes 8. And I have 1 5, which makes 5. This is a lot easier to add up than doing it all individually. So let's see, 12 and 8 is 20, 33, 38, and 47. And then we can figure out what our total number is so I can divide to do the mean, because right now it's 47. I got to divide by the number of data values. So let's see. Let's see, 5, 10, 24 and 6 makes 30. So there's 30 data values, and 47 divided by 30 is 1.6. All right, if we have a binned frequency, we have to do things a little bit differently here as well. So just write down here. You can do the mode, the median, and the mean. So this time, what we do is we don't know, when we say that there's 12 between 70 and 74, we don't know what values are what. We don't know if there's 5 70s, don't know if there's a mix. And so what we do here is we just take the middle number of all these bins. So this is going to be 72. And this will be 77, 82, 87, 92, 97, 102, 107, and then 112. All right, so then what we're going to do, the mode is the one that occurs at the most. So 23. So the mode is 77. The median is that middle number, which again, we can do the quick method. We have to get to the middle. Well, we could do another way. Instead of saying, oh, 12, let me get all the way up to 12. See how many data values there are. So let's see, 12, 23, 10. Can I, 10, 20, 30, 42, 44, 50, 60, 73. Okay, I'll need that for the mean anyway, so divide by 73. So then 73 divided by 2 is 36.5. So I would need to go in between the 36th and 37th score. So let's see. 12 and 23 makes what? 35? So then I'd have to be in this category anyway to keep going to get between the 36th and 37th. So the median is 82. Or if that doesn't make sense, we always can do the tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh gosh, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then we can erase. So we're down right here. So 82. And the mean, this one's the weird one again because we don't have the exact data values, right? So I'm going to use this piece here. So I'm going to take 72. I have 12 of them. 77, I have 23 of them. 82, I have 10 of them. 87, I have 9. 92 has 6. 97 has 6. 102 has 4. 107 has 1. And 112 has 2. And then I can find these values and then add them up and then divide by 73. So I'm going to do those off to the side and get those numbers for you. So 864, 1771, 820, 783, 552, 582, 202, 107, and 224. And all of that adds to 5,908. And I'm going to divide that by the 73 data values to get 80.93. All right. And then that's it for mean, median, and mode. So if you have any questions, let me know.